Oh, it is the Countach. Hey, what's up? djiweb here. Got a package in the mail, and I'm gonna bring back the old reviews where I talk about the car, what I like, what I don't like. A lot of you have been asking about it, right? Saying, hey, why aren't you giving me commentary? Okay, I'll bring it back. It just takes a little bit more work, but don't worry, I'm committed. I'm committed to the process. And because of the occasion, I dressed up. Really good, right? Let the Corona beard grow out, right? The quarantine beard. So, anyways, in the mail, I believe this is the Countach. Let's take a look. Oh, it is the Countach. All right, let's take a look at it. First of all, we got the packaging. You know what? Let's zoom in. Sweet. All right, so we have our packaging for the 1982 Lamborghini Countach LP500S. Okay, let's slice it open. I do like the boxes. I like the acrylic cars, so they display a lot better. Some of them online I've been seeing they're not numbered. Some are, so let's take a look. All right, you ready? Zoom in close for this one. Come on. No, not the beard. Look at the car. If I can get it open. There we go. Okay, you ready? Here we go. Oh. Oh. Patience. Patience. Ooh, there we go. Wow, that's awesome. Mine is numbered. Number is 1,000. No. 11,809 out of 12,000. So there's a ton of these. Wow, that looks great. You know, here's the thing. The Lamborghini Countach, it's a phenomenal vehicle. Phenomenal. It has that retro look, real old school, okay? Here's what I don't like. The wheels, the rim, the silver around it, it's just too much. Maybe if they made it like a matte silver or a matte black, matte gray, I think that would have fit, or maybe even a matte red, that would look really good. Inside we got the seats, the bucket seats with the racing seat belts, so those look pretty sweet. You know, you have the Spectra black paint, so I got to get it under some better light so I can look at it, but I know it's just gonna pop. The detail on the headlights are really nice too. I really like that. That's a good touch. I've gotten some mixed reviews on the red stripe here on both sides. I really like it. I think it adds a little bit of an accent, something that's needed. You know, it kind of has a kit Knight Rider feel to it. This car does. You got the scissor doors that, as you can see, go up and down, up and down. What we'll do too is we'll compare this to the red Countach that we got, about like 3 months ago or something like that. We'll compare it to that one here. Let me take this acrylic top off so we can. Just like that, one of the doors closed. Wow. Some sweet details. Okay, there it is with the doors closed. The fin on back looks really good. We got license plate. I like how they incorporated the name of it, right? The LP500S. Ooh, red steering wheel. That adds a little bit of extra character as far as the interior goes. You know, the extra details on the interior I really respect, I appreciate. A lot of like the details. In fact, I was watching the Legends tour, the virtual Legends tour. Shout out to my buddy Chris from Short Bus getting fan favorite. So that was pretty awesome. But as they were talking about, the designers were talking about how the interior has more details than people would really know unless you drill out the rivets and take it apart, which I do, right? So it looks really cool. Up here at the top, you have kind of the discoloration, or you going from the matte black to the matte gray with the vents. So I really like that as well. Real Riders, I'm a big Real Riders guy versus the Neo Classics. So again, I really like the Countach. The wheels, I would just maybe give a powder coating, make it a little darker as far as the rims go. But other than that, I mean, I would give this car a 9 out of 10. So it's a phenomenal piece, beautiful. It would get a 10 out of 10 if the wheels were a little bit different. So let me know what you think about it in the comments. Go ahead and drop a like, subscribe. You know the drill. That's the thing, is that us YouTubers, our channel grows when you guys participate. Also, let me know if this is what you want to see. If you want me to talk about the vehicle, I'll talk about it. Or if you just want it to some music, that's okay. I can do that too. So in the comments below, let me know what you think about that. But again, here's the Lamborghini Countach. I'll do some side-by-side shots or some comparison shots with the red Countach. Let me know what you think about that. And most importantly, let me know what you think about this beard, because you know it's on point.